So after my latest post about how to run your apps without paying a cent, I have been asked to help some people with their side projects. One question that I have been asked a lot is how can I just play with code and publish my side projects for free? And many of us are building stupid side projects like anything, and we don't want to spend money on hosting. And I believe that you should publish your work to the world. So I came up with this guide for deploying a client server web app to for free, and it's all about the name actually. Like, think about the following situation: you come back from a party and tell your roommate about his friend that you met there. You can say he was tall, brown eyes, he had short beard, and it can take hours. Wouldn't it be much faster to say, I met your friend Bob in the party? The human brain is built for names. We give names to things, then we have alias to people, places, and products. That's why you want to have a domain instead of giving people your IP address. And you can start with the free domain from .pk, and later on when your side project starts to gain some traffic and maybe even bring in some money, you can upgrade to pay a domain. And static resources, like, need to have static hosting. So hosting a static website should be pretty easy. You should be able to throw your files in cloud, point a domain to that place, and let other people try your web app. And Netlify is a place to do that, and their free plan is pretty good, letting you use your custom domains, SSL, and configure your Git repository for auto deployment. It's pretty straightforward and easy to use. You can check out their continuous deployment. And for server deployment, while static resources are easy to deploy and cheap to host, server is a whole different story. When no one uses your app, your static resources are doing nothing, but your server keeps running. That's why free server solutions are rare and limited. So luckily there are couple free server solutions that I am aware of. Like, there's a one called Heroku, and Heroku gives you free server. You can have a custom domain, but the server will go to sleep after 30 minutes of inactivity, and it takes time to wake up a sleeping server, and you are limited to certain number of computation hours. So the next one is now.sh, but it is now converted to Vercel. Formerly it was known as Jeet, and it gives you unlimited hours, but you can't have your own custom domain. The meaning is that with every deployment you will have a new URL that points to the new version of your server. And be aware that now.sh or vercel.com that will always open source your code. So yeah, now I hope my video will help you to deploy your side projects, and I would love to hear how you use my video or what is your side project in the comments or on Twitter. If you have any questions about the video or anything, don't hesitate to ask me. My Twitter DM box is open, and as always you can follow me to hear about my next adventure in programming world. Thank you, and do subscribe to the channel if you are watching, and if you haven't already subscribed for more such videos.